Hello there, you're back with Honest Dave here at Factory Outlet Trailers. Very important note for you guys when you're purchasing a new trailer. We torque the lug nuts to manufacturer specifications. When you get home, you have to torque them back up again. The trailers haven't been on the highway, they haven't been up to highway speeds, so there's a chance these can come loose. So after 60 kilometers, you gotta make sure you tighten the lug nuts back up. We're gonna show you how to do that right now. So basically this is a 5-bolt pattern, should be about 100 foot-pounds. You basically, when you're checking these, you put your torque wrench on, press down, you hear that click, you know it's at 100 foot-pounds. When you're checking the other ones, always go opposite, just like you're tightening a spare tire. Click. All good to go. If you lose a tire from the lug nuts not being tightened, it's not covered under your warranty, so make sure you get this done. Once again, Honest Dave, glad I could help you today.